stool stored in the rectum. Anal sphincter provides the control of releasing stool or holding it. Once stool arrives in the rectum, a feedback of the brain makes the person aware of the need for bowel movement. Okay, muna ginambal naton, ang tae, no, from the colon is stored in the rectum. Okay? May anal sphincter siya. Ano ang sphincter? Ganyan ba kung sphincter, di ba gate na siya? So, amo na ang naga-provide ng control over releasing stool or holding it. Okay? Naga-hold kag naga-release amo na si anal sphincter once the stool arrives in the rectum. Once makalabot ang stool sa buli, may feedback nga makadto sa brain, mahambal nga kinahanglan na mamuson sang tawo. Voluntary control over the anal sphincter lets us hold the stool until we go to the toilet. So voluntary control, hindi siya involuntary. Kung involuntary na karon gapamuson lang kita nga hindi ta hungod. Okay? So voluntary siya. Kita naga-control kung kailan or saan o ta i-hold ang tae. Three accessory digestive organs, tatlo siya, si pancreas, liver, gallbladder. So question, sir, si pancreas, sir, ara man siya sa endocrine system, tingari naman siya sa digestive system. Ang tuod-tuod, guys. Diin gid man siya bala na belong sa digestive or endocrine. Mm. Diin gid man siya nabilong sa secret. Okay? Endocrine, guys, sa endocrine, kay ang ubray sa endocrine, ari na ganun, basahon to na lang explain ko pa ya. Although the pancreas is mostly known as first blood sugar regulatory function with the production of insulin, si pancreas naga-create sang insulin. Ano ba ni insulin? Siya ang nag-regulate sang blood sugar naton. Okay, as part of the endocrine system, the insulin goes directly from the gland into the bloodstream. It is the main producer of digestive enzymes. Okay, balik kita na. Sa blood sugar, di ba, kita nyo na sa mga diabetison, di ba? DM, DM1, okay? Diabetes mellitus 1. Ang ila na problema, hindi na mayo produce ang insulin si pancreas. That's why ginagaan sila naton sang insulin. Amo na dakis ami mga injection na makita nyo na mag second year, third year kamo. Muna ginagaan sila sang insulin kay nga ano bra ni insulin how do mm, emulsify, hindi man. Do basta do ginasakop ya bala ang blood sugar, ang sugar sa blood, amo na obra ni insulin. So bangon nga ang pancreas nila hindi enough makaproduce ng insulin, ginasaksakan sila naton sa insulin. Okay, magyan nyo na mag second year kay gina-check nyo na ang blood sugar, di ba? Kita nyo na ano ginitawag ang ginaano na basta ay basta ginatudlo, ginabutang sa tudlo na gina-check ang blood sugar. Then mo na. As part of the endocrine system, the insulin, ara naliwat lang. Okay, kung sa digestive system naman, si insulin ano ubraya, may tatlo siya ka enzymes. Okay, ano ang enzymes? Sir, ano ng enzymes? Sir, ano naman na mabulig ya sa digestive system? Si enzymes, silang nagatunaw sa specific stuff or nutrients. Okay, anong tatlo ka enzyme? Amylase, lipase, and amylase, lipase, and wait, ito, amylase, lipase, and protease. Yes, very good. Ay, nalipat pa ko. Amylase, lipase, protease. Ba, wala di sila nakabutang. Sad, wala sila nakabutang. O, tandain na lang. Bloodstream is the main producer of digestive enzymes. As part of the exocrine system, the enzymes produced by the gland pass through a duct into the intestine. These enzymes are released into the duodenum. Ano ganing duodenum? First part sang small intestine. Di ba? Ginamba ko nagina. Letter D siya pinakauna. Small intestine. And help with the digestion of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Siya ang nagabulig digest. Okay? By creating enzymes, ubra ni pancreas, by creating enzymes, nagabulig siya sa digest sang fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Sa fats, ano tawag da? That's your lipase. Yung lipase, lipids, lipase. Okay, next, si protein, si protease. Proteins, protease. Si carbohydrates, amylase. Okay, amylase. Tatlo siya ha, pancreas. Next, The liver produces bile for fat digestion, elimination. In addition, nutrients are stored in the liver and toxins and chemicals are filtered by the liver. Okay, toxins and chemicals are filtered by the liver. Amo na mga barkada nyo nga panghagan sa inyo shot. O nga balon nyo na nga, way kumunuloy siya kun atay. O nga amo na how, kay ang atay naton ang naga-filter sang toxins and chemicals. So that's why hagan-hagan sa pag-inom kay nga mabalda inyo nga atay. Kaya nga atay ang naga-filter sang toxins and chemicals. Kinliwat-liwat ko lang. Okay? Next, gallbladder. Bile is stored and released from the gallbladder. When fatty food enters the duodenum, the gallbladder contracts and release bile. Ano ba ni bile? Bile is stored and released from the gallbladder. Bile. Wait, ano tong copy ko? Si bile. Ano ba ni bile is a yellow-green fluid that helps digest fats in the small intestine. Bulig man digest fat. Okay. Then ako to. Small intestine function, nara na, pancreatic enzyme. Tandaan sa pancreatic enzyme, tatlo to ha, amylase, lipase, and protease. Si amylase ang sa carbohydrates. Okay, amylase ang sa carbohydrates. Lipase sa lipids, and protease sa proteins. Okay, next. Din ako. Accessory, tapos na. Digestive system divided in two major parts. Digestive tract, accessory organs. Okay, accessory organs, tandaan, teeth, tongue, salivary glands, dara pa lang. Okay. Digestive tract, alimentary canal is a continuous tube with two openings, mouth and anus. It includes mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Food passing through the internal cavity or lumen or lumen, no lumen, of the digestive tract does not technically enter the body until it is absorbed through the walls of the digestive tract. Ingestion. Oh, anong ingestion? Ay, sus. May mga iban pagid nga mga students, guys, ay ambot lang gid. Second year, third year na, wala kabalo sang iban nga mga terms. Ambot nakalimtan lang ang klasiko ay ambot ma-appreciate nyo gina sa uli kung kamo na sa third year, fourth year nga tani na mati na lang ko kay Sir Josh ba Charing. Pero toon ingestion diri na lang sa simple lang nga term ingestion ano na the process of eating ano to gani liwat ang mastication chewing liwat-liwat lang na siya guys. Next, propulsion. Anong propulsion? Ginambal ko na gina. That's your peristalsis. Movement lang. Ara naman. Movement of food along the digestive tract, etc. Okay, amo na. Mm, Next, secretion, digestive enzyme. Secrete pala naga-secrete. Anong secrete? Hindi manugid. Hindi. Secretion, secret, hindi, secret man kuno. Secrete, nagapagwa. Okay. Other senses like liquefies, adjust pH, and chemical breaks down the food. Mechanical digestion, process of physically breaking down smaller pieces, begins with the chewing of food. Magkabit tayo, mechanical digestion, mechanical, nagahulag, kaya naton kontrolon na mechanic, okay? Amuni ang mechanical digestion, amuni ang chewing pa lang. Usang, okay? Usang. Next, chemical digestion, process of chemically breaking down food, simpler molecules. The process is carried out by enzymes in the stomach. Naba ko ng enzyme, okay, ano to ginamit sa pancreatic enzyme, amylase, lipase, and protease. Absorption is the movement of molecules by passive diffusion or active transport from the digestive tract to adjacent blood, lymphatic vessels, etc. Defecation, muson, amo lang na, eliminating indigested material through the anus. Digestion and enzymes. Digestion and enzymes. Our teeth break food down into small pieces when we chew. This is only a start of the process of digestion. Okay, magkapatay digestion. Anong digestion? Breaking down food into smaller components. Okay, process of breaking down food into smaller components that your digestion magwa sa exam. Breaking down food into small pieces, digestion magwa sa exam. Hala, ari na si enzymes gali guys. So, ginunahan ko lang siya gina. Okay, si amylase, protease, and lipase. Ari na ha, na-explain ko na sa babaw gina. Liyog lang ko basa, liwat. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, are gin padamel man niya pagid, basaha lang liwat. Substances that are not digested, minerals, vitamins, and water are already small enough to be absorbed in the body without being broken down, so they are not digested. Okay, digestive diseases. Digestive diseases. Are. First sign of problems digestive tract often include following symptoms: bleeding, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, incontinence, nausea, vomiting, pain in the belly, swelling problems, weight gain, or loss. Okay. First problems. Some common problems include heartburn. Wow, common ang cancer. Irritable IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance. Okay, lactose intolerance. Question. Sir, kung si Lola nagapinamuson sa tapos nagasakit iyat siyan, naga-cramps siya pagtapos siya inom gatas or pagkatapos siya consume sang dairy products, tinadiagnose sang lactose intolerance. Ano ubrahon niya, sir? Para ma-alleviate yung symptoms. Ano ubrahon? Kung may lactose intolerant siya, lactose intolerant person, like kay sir, ako lactose intolerant ko, pero hindi. Pero, gabakal ko gyapon gatas, kinamitan ko sila. Whereas kay mama, okay, lactose intolerant. Anong ubrahon mayo? Sir man? Likawan. Okay? Ako lang nakapos, likawan. Okay? Avoid lactose containing foods magwa sa exam. Okay? Other digestive diseases include gallstones, cholecystitis, cholangitis, rectal problems, esophagus problems, stomach, liver problems. Liver problems, ano ni, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, cirrhosis, liver failure, etc. Liver problems. Pancreatitis, nagahabok ang pancreas. Pancreatic pseudocyst, intestinal problems, may mga polyps, cancer, celiac, Crohn's disease. GERD, anong GERD? Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Anong GERD? Amo nang gabantay sang bangko? GERD? Hindi. Ano ng GERD? Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Mga mata gastroesophageal, gastro chan. Okay? Esophageal, esophagus. Reflux, nagbalik disease. Meaning, ang ano ni sakit sulok-sulok ano gabalik ang mga kinanaan mo. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, naga-reflux siya. Usually sakit mo lang sulok-sulok ng reklamo nila. Sampol may GERD ka, kasakit, sulok-sulok, gabalik. Anong ubron? Magtulog, tasa lang ang lunan. Okay? Balik, magwa sa exam. Wait, may mga announcements sila. Uh, ano pa ganito? Nambakon na nabag ulang gastro. Ang gastro, di ba tiyan na? Oo na. So, for example, may gastritis. Magbatang gastritis, ano na gani? Ang gastro, magabakita itis, inflammation. Inflammation of what? Of tiyan. Okay? Magwa sa exam. Gastritis, nag-inflame lang ang stomach. That's your gastritis. Ready siya mo. Wait lang. Gastric. Esophageal. Stomach problems. Ready siya. Ari. Stomach problems, including gastritis. Okay? Ano pa gani? Many healthcare providers, nurse practitioners, nutritionists, primary care doctors, radiology surgeons. Digestive problem as you age, constipation, changes digestive system, medication use, inactivity, not drinking enough fluids, torticolor, etc. How to protect your digestive health as you age? Of course, halong-halong na sa mga ginapangaon. Okay? O, check your meds, stay active, eat more fiber, drink plenty fluids, manage your weight, get regular health screenings.